Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
My question is, how many days of Eid should we celebrate? Please give reference from the Quran and Sunnah.
It's an issue of dispute. Some scholars say that this is a celebration that can only take place in the allocated days in the Sunnah. When the Prophet ﷺ came to Medina, in the hadith of Anas ibn Malik, he found that they celebrated on a particular day. So he asked, what is this? So they told him that this is a day that we used to celebrate in pre-Islamic era. And we continued to do so. So the Prophet prohibited that, alayhi salatu wasalam, and said, Allah has replaced you with 2 days better than that. The day of Eid, al-Fitr, which is after Ramadan, and the day of Eid al-Adha, which is on the 10th of the Hijjah, of the month of pilgrimage. Scholars added the 3 days of Ayyam al-Tashreeq, which is the 11th, 12th, and the 13th, to the day of Eid al-Adha, because it's a day of celebration and feast and remembering Allah, and it's prohibited for normal people to fast them. So they included that. So they made those 4 days per year. This is the most authentic opinion. Some scholars expanded a bit. So they said that regarding the day of Eid of al-Fitr, which is the first day after Ramadan, it wouldn't be so bad if we make it 3 days, because 1 day would not be sufficient if we have the Eid prayer and the receptions, etc. So they added 2 days to it. And when we say celebration, usually the only thing that stands out is beating the duf. That's it. Other than that, eating and visiting people, and you can do that throughout the whole year. There's nothing wrong in that. But usually people ask about celebrating so that they would combine in their celebrations the nasheeds and the playing of the duf, and especially girls and women would like to dance and celebrate in their own way, which is lawful and no problem in that. But I'm inclined to restrict that, rather to be safe than sorry, to these 4 days, 1 day of Eid al-Fitr and the 4 days of Eid al-Adha. The total is 5, and Allah knows best.